For more than a decade, the F-35 has ruled the skies, but this week, Europe sent a very different message. Engineers from across the continent are uniting on a stealth fighter built to outthink, outsense, and outfly anything.
For years, one fighter has redefined air power, invisible until it chooses to be. Seeing everything, striking anywhere, from Arctic ice to city skies. Adopted across the globe. Stealth. Across the Atlantic, Europe's not sitting idle. Its leading defense giants are teaming up to craft their own answer. A next-generation stealth fighter, built in Europe, for Europe. From collaborative design labs and wind tunnel breakthroughs to an all...
Europe and Asia are racing into the future of air combat. On one flank, France, Germany, and Spain's Future Combat Air System. On the other, the UK, Italy, and Japan's Tempest program. Both pledge AI-driven cockpits, loyal wingman drones, and stealth so deep it could eclipse the F-35.
This isn't just about technology. It's about independence. From next-gen fighters built in European hangars to autonomous drones patrolling our own skies. New engines, new ideas, a European sky on Europe's terms.
Washington is watching closely. The F-35 still rules NATO skies, but Europe's new stealth fighters, Britain's Tempest and the Franco-German-Spanish FCAS, are accelerating. If they succeed, they won't just threaten the air over Europe, they'll challenge America's most lucrative defense export. For the Pentagon and...
By the 2030s, the skies will be crowded with sixth-generation fighters, jets guided by AI co-pilots.
Multiple contacts, swarm pattern.
Armed with directed energy weapons.
Laser-charged, firing.
And flying alongside stealth drones, teaming. So yes, Europe has officially put the F-35 on notice. With the Tempest and FCAS programs accelerating, allies are pouring billions into next-generation air power. But for now, the Lightning II still dominates the skies. Over the next decade,
if you love military tech and future warfare analysis, this is where you belong. At Warhand Hub, we break down the next generation of combat, hypersonic aircraft, autonomous armor, drone swarms, and the strategies that tie them together. Subscribe now and join us as we decode the battles of tomorrow.